out, Cody. Something on your head. Back up.
Felix and I are sitting on the bench.
Oh, come on, Tristan. You did that. That wasn't nice. Down, please. Down. You don't have to do that because the birds then, the squirrels get all of them upstairs. Down, please. Cody, do you want to do it? Almost gone, huh, Cody? Time to go to the pet store. Get some more. You can, but I go to Home Depot. It's a big store. You can buy just about anything for your house and for your backyard. Let me put it up here because you always will spill it on the way up. Attaboy. I mean, you can go by the sun going.
Grandma, when it's lunchtime and when it's dinner time, can I do this?
Yep.
You'll remind me to do it. Or Mom.
Okay, I'll try to remember. It's hard to do.
You want to say something, Felix?
Right? Okay, have fun, squirrels. Thank you. Okay. Turn it. I think you better come down. You don't think so?
That's really high.
That was really high. You're way up here, Cody.
Yeah. Oh, uh-oh. Ah!
That was really too high, you know. Cody, that was really too high.
Cody, you see them jumping on the trampoline?
Oh, yeah.
You would love that, wouldn't you? I should probably ask them.
I think your glasses are on. Oh, yeah, now you got it. Hey, do you see the cowboy on the license plate there? See the car number? See the right down here? See the
Yeah.
cowboy on his horse? On the rented car?
Poopy horse.
Hmm?
Poopy horse. Poopy horse. Poopy horse. I'm watering.
Now let's see if we can get a picture of Felix here. If I can turn the camera around. If it will focus, I don't know. Those flowers.
No way, dude.
I got cookies.
Okay, take the hose over into the lawn, to the grass, and I'll turn it on. Go do the flowers
Yeah.
and the bird stuff.
Yeah.
Okay,